Today we are gonna make a pizza. Yeah. This sauce. This is cheese. This is oregano. This is tomato. This is capsicum. This is corn. This is the pizza base. We need to put the pizza base over here. One pizza base for me. One for me. Now time to put some sauce. Now we need to put some cheese. So much cheese. We love cheese. Now we could put some vegetables like corn. And capsicum and tomato. Now it needs to bake in the oven. But first we need to put oregano. Now that's done. Now we need to put it in the oven to bake. We're gonna put this in the oven. Only one can fit in